Hey, David Cook with DeFranco Finishes doing a wallpaper prep. One of the questions we get asked is how much it costs to wallpaper, and it really does depend, but like in this case we're doing a ceiling and kind of see the room itself. It's about 12 by 14, I think the measurement was, and we're putting this floral pattern on the ceiling. So a little bit different than a traditional wall. So in a case like this, it's upwards almost $1,000 just because we got two people and it's Tuesday, so I'm here about 4 o'clock. So I spent about the last hour putting the primer on the wall, and we use guards and shields. That's our main primer that I use. It's nice, it's shiny because it seals the wall. So when we go to hang, it's sticking to the sealer, it's not sticking to the drywall, so it's a nice release. So when you're talking about how much it's costing and everything else we're doing with it, you're paying to get it installed, but more importantly, you're paying to make sure that when you go to remove it, it's gonna come off the ceiling, come off the wall with as little damage as possible. So to me, that's one of the big things that you're paying for. The cost of it. It's done right. It's done. The initial prep is done really, really well to make sure that you're getting the best product. And then in a few years, in this case, I'm going to say about 5 or 6 because it's a nursery, when they go to remove this wallpaper, it's going to come off. And it'll be minimal repairs, if any, on the ceiling. They'll just have to reprime it and paint it and they'll be done. So there's a quick one on ceilings. Figure 900. This one was a little bit more because we have to come back multiple times between priming, and then we got a lot of furniture and stuff that we're moving for everybody. So it was a little bit more, but give you a good ballpark. Definitely give us a call, text, email, and we'll be happy to do an estimate for you. You can send pictures. We can get pretty good ballpark also. But we'll love to help. Love to see how we can help you love the house you live in. Have a great day. Thanks.